Apple also going to be reporting their earnings, and we're looking pretty much at 240 on the dot. So we're gonna break through and then move to the upside, but for now we have 226 as our support. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be talking about stocks, and we're going to be pretty much talking about long-term stocks. We're going to be talking about the market, where we're expecting the market to go, and this week we're going to be focusing on our earnings names, stocks or companies that are reporting next week, and where the levels are going to be. Also, some of the trades that were actually made this past week. Also, looking at our economic calendar as well, we're going to be looking at that. But remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. Now, for the week, we got Microsoft, NVDA, Google, Tesla, WMT, GM, Texas Instrument, and PayPal, as well as PM as well. Okay, Philip Morris. However, stocks, most of it is pretty much close red for the week. Okay, so next week we're going to be expecting some momentum into the market, as the market really tried to push to the upside, but it just couldn't go. Also remember, again, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. Economic calendar overall. Also, the news just came in. Delta actually sues cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike over tech outage that causes cancellation of their flights. Okay. Looking at the economic calendar reporting, Fed speakers Monday, pretty much nothing really scheduled. On Tuesday we have consumer confidence, job openings, and Wednesday pretty much ADP, employment, and of course advanced wholesale inventories. Thursday is going to be interesting, as we have our core PCE, personal spending, jobless claim, and of course Chicago PMI. So it's going to be an interesting Thursday. Keep an eye out. Followed by Friday, which we're going to have our ISM manufacturing, followed by unemployment rate, and S&P final US manufacturing PMI. Of course, we're going to also talk about construction spending and see how we are, negative or positive there. Now, looking at our earnings here, we got this week coming up. Monday we have Philips, Centerpoint, Cemex, Ford, Candace, Waste Management, and on Tuesday we have Sophie, AMD, Alphabet, Snap, Alphabet, which is Google, PayPal, BP, Reddit, Qualcomm, Chubb, and so on and so forth as well. And on Wednesday we have we have Lilly over there, Microsoft, Caterpillar, Meta, Coinbase, Humana, Roku, Savannah, Starbucks, and of course on Thursday, guess what? We got Amazon reporting. Amazon, Apple, Intel, Uber, Peloton, MRNA, also MOMA, K, and also Norwegian cruise line. They're gonna be reporting on Thursday. Friday, pretty much we have Fubu, Chevron, Exxon, Wayfair, and LYB will be reporting. So it's gonna be an interesting week, and most especially Wednesday will really Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday after close and Wednesday after close will be really interesting in the market, followed by Thursday. So this week we pretty much determine, we pretty much tell us or tell the traders what is going on out there, if companies are doing good or companies are pretty much doing bad, right? Also here we're going to be looking at SPY. Let's take a look at SPY, what we're expecting the market to actually do. Okay, so here, alright, so pretty much SPY, we're looking at support here at the 20 exponential moving average. That happened, that actually held and then bounced up right into 585, only to reject that downtrend there. So I'll be looking for more retest of the 20 exponential moving average 575 area. If it doesn't hold, we're going to be looking for 575.65 on our next pull to the downside. Look for Google, look for Amazon, and see if this will boost this market to the upside or will just pull to the downside. Now let's take a look at our first stock. Right here we have Tesla. Okay, Tesla at this point in time, at this moment, we're actually gapped up to the upside due to earnings report. Look at the volume coming in, and of course we broke this downtrend, and now we're breaking another downtrend right here around this 260. Right, the market pretty much close to being closed at 270, but they never let it close above that. So we're gonna be looking for more to the low side, at least for a pullback right into 260 or 255 on Tesla. Also taking a look at TGT. So on TGT, these are the levels I'll be expecting in the coming days. If you look at this, this is pretty much our left side, right side, and the head. So this is invariably, you can say, inverse head and shoulder with the momentum for a bounce off of this 200 moving average. So look for more to the upside there on TGT. Also Coinbase, actually they're also reporting. Coinbase is also going to be reporting on Wednesday, so we're looking at 210 a break, 215 break to the upside. Overall, I'm expecting Coinbase to do good, to do well, and that momentum push to the upside. If for any reason report did not and fail, we're going to be looking at Coinbase back to 170, 160 on that name. Apple also going to be reporting their earnings, and we're looking pretty much at 240 on the dot. So we're gonna break through and then move to the upside, but for now we have 226 as our support, 226, 225 as our support on Apple. If they do bad, I'll be looking for more reaction to the downside, at least followed with the market. So we're going to be looking at the 212 215 area on that name. Also have Intel. Intel is also reporting right here, and of course we're looking at Intel coming into $22 area as our support. So we've been really consolidating around this area. We're gonna really bounce just like Tesla did. I don't know, but you know, just pretty much keep an eye out here for that $24-25 continuation to the upside. If they do good, I'll be looking at momentum coming into this name to about $30 on that. Also AMD as well. AMD has an interesting chart, and we're looking at our inverse head and shoulder as well. So we're finding support here, and then we bounce right up. Look for 162, 170 on the earnings play. If for any reason they guide up, guess what, we're going to be looking at price back into the 185, 190 on AMD, right? So keep an eye out there. Master as well. MasterCard, they're also going to be reporting, and look, we're looking at momentum continue on this name. If they do bad, if they do poorly in their earnings, guess what, we're going to be looking at price back into the 491 or even price back into 470. So for now, I'm expecting MasterCard to actually do good, following JP Morgan and all other financial sides. So look for action there on MasterCard. Hood HOOD also have earnings reporting. We're looking for more to the upside. I have $30 on my radar. If for any reason they do bad, or subscription and all that, membership, all those crazy stuff, we're gonna be looking for price back to $20 on HOOD. Okay. Also, taking a look at some that reported last week, as this deck actually reported last week, and look at that, they did good, gapped up and still held 165 168 area. Right now we have that indecision, looking for confirmation Monday for actual direction on that trade. Matter as well here. Matter, I'm looking for more on this name. I'm looking for 600 or even 650 on Matter because of all the good stuff they have in their pipeline. So looking for support here, and of course we found support to this 20 exponential moving average spot. So for now, look for this break of 580 to the upside due to Meta earning support. So I'm expecting the Meta to actually do good in the coming days. Wayfair also has earning support, and then guess what, we're looking for that inverse head and shoulder move that we got here, and then bounce off of this area into $55-56 spot. If they guide up, expect momentum to come into this name. I also talk about Humana, HUM. Actually, we're looking for more here as well to the upside. Gap has been, it's actually filled, and we just need that momentum to come in, and then we're going to be looking for more areas for profit taking. I'll be looking to play options on this name, and as well I also have my share sizes on this as well, but looking to play options to the long side or to the short side, depend on how this actually open on Monday. MU as well, this is Mo. Right now we're looking at momentum to the upside, looking at this downtrend break to the upside, looking at $54 next on this name. If for any reason they do bad and guide down, what we're going to be looking at is price back into the $45 in that trade. So keep an eye out on these names. They have earnings coming up next week, and of course trade cautiously, trade well, and enjoy your beautiful weekend. Be love out there. Take care of everyone you meet on your way, and peace and love, guys. Bye bye.